Hello and welcome to TA for Traders. It's Friday the 16th of June. I'm Nigel Croft. In this short video we'll be looking at the charts on the Aussie dollar against the Japanese yen. It's had a very good week and has moved up. It's broken a downtrend which is positive, and the moving averages are all starting to move up and will be creating golden crosses, which is positive. However, in the short term it's slightly overbought, slightly overextended, and is towards resistance. So here we have the daily, and that we can see that this week the Aussie dollar has been very strong against the Japanese yen. We can see that it has broken the pattern of lower highs that's been in place since probably since the middle of February. It broke the high from the 24th of May and also the high from the 15th of May, so that's a positive sign. I also like the look of these moving averages. The medium term, longer term trends always been in place to the upside because of the 200-day. The 50 and 20 obviously did create that bear cross. There was no surprise the market fell, and what we're getting now is that the 20-day is moving round, as is the 50-day, and you will get the 20 crossing the 50 probably in a day or two, and it'll only be a couple of days after that that the 20 then crosses the 200, all moving upwards. These are all golden crosses and are all positive for the medium term picture of the Aussie dollar against Japanese yen. You can see with the move up that we've had that the RSI has ticked well above 50. Presently it's 65.31 and is indicative of positive momentum. And also you will see that the MACD have just diverged to the upside just above zero, and that's a buy signal as well. Slight concern is, which you'll see, is that there is this resistance on the upside. It would need good momentum to really break through that resistance, and if you look at the weekly chart, you can see this band of resistance from 85.3 well up to the 87.5 level. On the weekly, again the RSI's tick back above 50. MACD are just turning there. Now in the short term, looking at the 4 hour, it's overextended. You can see the distance away from the moving averages that's now developed. This is too much, and also you can see that the RSI is overbought 78.35. So some consolidation should be expected on the short term picture. Looking at the support resistance levels, there's resistance at 85.77 and 87.11, with support at the 200-day 83.22. and then the second support at 82.60. So that has been TA for Traders looking at the Aussie dollar against the Japanese yen. Just to clarify the main points, we've broken the downtrend on the daily, which is positive. Also, please remember that those moving averages are going to create golden crosses very shortly, which is positive. Slightly to the negative, we're approaching resistance, but if the momentum is strong enough, then we will push through. But in the short term, looking at the 4 hour chart, we're overbought and it's slightly overextended. Please remember that these videos that I do on YouTube are my opinion and are for educational purposes, and in no way are they meant as an investment recommendation. Thank you for watching. Please do read the disclaimer.